to effects of single parenthood in Kenya today. What are the results? What are the results of many people becoming single parents? Is children may lack interest in marriage in future. If you see that a single parent is doing well, more than a married couple, in future many children will lack, in future when they are adults, they will lack the interest of getting married. It may also lead to prostitution by one of the spouses. Because now if you don't have a partner, where do you go for conjugal rights? Yes? You end up leading to what? To prostitution. It also may lead to contracting HIV and AIDS, because now you're involving yourself. You don't engage in only one sexual partner, because now you don't have your spouse. Lack of parental care, yes. Actually, I don't condone single parenthood, because if you are the father or you are the mother and you are alone there, how is your boy going to learn about what? Manhood. Your child will always be lacking one part, especially when you're in. Now you might be a grown-up and starting to understand or something, but when they are young children, they understand. At school they're told, go tell your father, and then they tell you, I do not have a father. How do you think they feel? So it's going to affect the children will lack parental care. Also, those who get children out of wedlock may find it difficult explaining to their children where their parents are, the whereabouts of their fathers. Yes? I actually had even someone tell them, but this was on TV. They ask, who's my father? You are told it's what? Superman. Someone you cannot. So that kid keeps on telling others that the father is what? Superman. But all I know is every child has a father and a mother. Every child. Even if they are dead, it's only because they are deadbeat. But you have a father. How did you come to be about? Everyone has a father, and everyone in this world. Because yes, for you to come about, you need a male and a what? A female. But the parent can be deadbeat. They are not there. They are not there to cater for you. So they are there. Children of single parents also have a problem of accepting other parents. So if their parents get remarried, they usually have a very difficult issue. Sometimes they don't even move to that family. They stay back at home where they were living before. Also, children born out of wedlock may lead to family breakups. If you were born out of wedlock, whereby your parents had separated or had divorced, and you were raised by a single parent, you might end up being a what? A single parent. Also, you have constraints of bringing up what? Children. Because you are alone and you need to take care of that child. And nowadays, education is very expensive. So you may strain financially. Inadequate security in the homestead. Yes, men are needed actually here it is on the aspect of men. They are needed in the family. If they are not there, there is no what? Security. Which is very important. The children also undergo psychological trauma. Sometimes they do not know how to react. Especially when you are on these occasions, when you have an event near the homestead or inside the homestead, and then you're told, stand with your family. Keep every time you see the two parents standing, yes? But you only have one. There's that psychological. So that's why we were saying they need counseling. Also, some of the children are denied the inheritance of property. They are denied because if you have a single female parent, you cannot get inheritance from their what? From the father of the what? Your mother. Some of them are denied. But today, I don't know. Today things are a bit different.